Hello team, today's challenge is the Plant the Crop Challenge, where we are given an area and we have to determine how much of a certain kind of crop we can plant into it, right? We've seen conversions like this before, pounds to kilograms, miles to kilometers, even recently with tire pressure, right? The difference with this one is that we aren't constrained to just one conversion. We actually have two, acres and hectares. So a little bit of an extra piece there, but shouldn't be too challenging. Let's give it a try. I'm going to copy all of this so that we can use it over here, okay? And the first one that I want to take on is space per plant. So const space per plant, just like this. That's going to be an object. I'm going to move all of this up and in, okay? And then we can get started on this. Using some double cursor magic, or multi-cursor magic, sorry. I'm going to grab all the squares, jump to the end, add a comma, jump to the start, the end of the word, the key, right? Add a colon, and that part is done. Easy, okay? It was already in quotes, which is really nice. We can get rid of this sentence. We don't need it, but let's do the conversion, okay? So same sort of thing. This is going to be, what did I call it? Area in meters, okay? So area in meters. No, I did not spell that wrong. I'm just Canadian. Change it if you want, okay? Right here, boosting this up. Bang, bang, bang. And we can use some multi-cursors here too. So right here, grabbing that, we're going to wrap this in quotes. There is a small thing here where the unit, when we get the unit, it will be plural. So please go and add a final S to that. Semicolon, get rid of the equals, jump into the end, getting rid of all this, adding a comma, great, okay? Almost. They added a comma in the 10,000, so get rid of that or add in an underscore. JavaScript actually allows this, which is kind of cool. Makes it easier to read if you need that, okay? But with that done, now we just need to use it. Just need to use both of them, right? So down here, we're going to get a thing. This is going to be field, spell it right, field size in meters, okay? Just like this. And that's going to be the field size, copy it, times whatever our unit is, okay? But we can't just use the unit directly. We actually need the conversion factor, which means that we need area in meters. Just like this. Brilliant. Unit. Okay? Not like that. Oh, I almost messed that up. Square brackets. Come on. There we go. Good. We got it. With that in mind, we can go the other way now. Okay? So field size in meters divided by space per plant with that crop. Okay? And this should do it. It doesn't because we're expecting a whole number. And this can return a float, right? It can return a float. Let's bundle it up just like this with math.floor. And now it works. Okay? So the key to this is just sorting out how you're storing and accessing this data. Okay? Once you figure that out, a couple of objects makes it work easy. Okay. Once you figure that out, then you just need to access it inside of here. The only problem that I have with this is what happens if they send through a unit that doesn't exist or a crop that doesn't exist. Well, for that, we probably should have some sort of an error state. So something like this, where we test if the unit is in area in meters and the crop is in space per plant. If one of those conditions is not met, throw an error, okay? That's it. That's all it took, right? We had the conversion. We had the numbers that we're converting through to figure it all out. And then we used all that down here. So we got our field size in meters, and then we used our field size in meters to figure out our space per plant. Did you have a different way? I'm sure that there are plenty of other ways to do this. This is the way that I did it, but I would love to see yours. So add those in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow.